Rationalization begins with a blurring of what actually happened. The moment the facts get soft, the story gets strong. And once the story takes over, you can justify anything. Yesterday, day one, you wrote the excuse. Today, you separate the excuse from the facts. Nothing added, nothing removed. Because rationalization starts the moment ignoring reality becomes an option. Hey there, it's me, Core, and you're listening to Exercising Self-Control from Fitness to Flourishing. By the end of the day, you will be able to describe the event as a neutral observer would, not as though you are defending your position and your choices. That's the job of rationalization. Today, you are being completely objective. That means just the observable facts. Set a timer for 5 minutes. You'll write 2 short lists. The first list, facts. Only what happened. What time you had or didn't. What you committed to. That's your daily standard. What you did instead. The replacement behavior. And what got in the way. The specific events and circumstances. Second, interpretation. Now you'll label it. The story you used to explain the gap. The emotion driving it. For example, tired, stressed, bored. And finally, the negotiation you attempted. For example, you might have said, maybe tomorrow, not today. This is an important first step in testing your thinking. Reasonable thinking can withstand pressure. Rationalizing can't. And one of the first pressures is contact with reality. If your explanation requires you to hide or massage a fact, it's not reasoning, it's editing, and you're trying to replace facts with fantasy. Now you're going to check your honesty or skill in being objective. If you think you weren't honest, that's a worthy admission. You can revise your answers before continuing. If you wonder if you lack skill, this writing practice is how you improve it. Here's the question. If someone neutral observed the same facts, would they describe the situation the same way? If yes, you are likely being reasonable. If no, you're rationalizing. The key to a good answer here is remembering that an outside observer can only see, hear, and otherwise experience what's objective. They can't observe your feelings, intentions, or what you are experiencing internally. If they were to describe the event as if they were a video recorder with audio included, that's going to be the objectivity required. And hopefully, that's how you described the facts from step 1 as well. Now, pick a standard for tomorrow. Use the too easy on your worst day design rule. If your standard depends on ideal conditions, it's not a workable standard. Don't be ambitious here. Consistency of behavior first, ambition later. If you'd like direction on how to set a standard like this, join the Exercising Self-Control School Group. The link is in the episode transcript. The final check is to record what's essentially your ACT score. This is follow through today, answering yes or no. No interpretation, no loopholes, an answer that reflects behavior, not mood. For the entire journal prompt, copy these lines. 1. The facts. Use bullet points. 2. My story or explanation was fill in the blank. 3. The neutral observer check. Yes or no. 4. My standard for tomorrow. Make it small. And then 5. Act, follow through today. Yes or no. When you separate facts from story, you become more effective in making the well-reasoned choice. When you remove ambiguity, you remove negotiation. And when negotiation ends, excuses lose their power. This is the discipline that makes rationalization impossible. Tomorrow, we're going to consider how aligned we are with our principles and values. Our excuses and rationalizations don't stand a chance. That's it for today. Catch you next time.